How to add a welcome bot on your Discord server. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add your welcome bot on your Discord server. So if you want to send a welcome message when someone joins your server, this is how you can do it. So as you can see, I've logged into my Discord on this tab right here. Once you are logged in, make sure you head over to your server, and after this you can tap on your server list, and from here head over to app directory. Now it will open up this new page where you have to search for ProBot. So just search for ProBot and then click on enter. Now you will see different lists. You just want to make sure that you download this one with these little stars. Just click on it, and from here click on add app. Now you can visit this website if you want. Just follow this link now, and then it will take you to another website, and here you will have an option to choose whatever you want. So just you have to scroll down here, make sure that you've chosen the correct server, and then click on continue. Now you can give authority to all of these messages. You can filter this if you want. I'm gonna leave it as it is for now, and here you will just have to choose proof that you're a human, so complete this quick captcha. So as you can see, ProBot has been added to our server, so let's just check it on our server right here. So if I just go back on my server, as you can see, ProBot has been added to the server. So let me just invite my other account to the server. So I'm just going to send an invite link from here. So I'm just going to invite my other account from here, and then once you do that, let me just join this server from my other account. So as you can see here, I've gotten a hi message from the ProBot. So this is how you basically add a welcome bot on your server. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.